This was an election in which her political opponents cooperated with each other in the hope of keeping her party from power. According to projections by French broadcaster France 2, the left-wing New Popular Front seen here in red appears to have the most votes. President Macron's ensemble, shown in purple, is in second place, and Marine Le Pen's anti-immigration national rally in navy blue has been pushed into third after it won the most votes in the first round last weekend. But none of these groups is on course for an absolute majority. Our first report is from our Europe editor, Katya Adler, who was at National Rally's headquarters.
In a shock result for all and a huge relief for many here, the far left coalition has unexpectedly become the biggest party in the French parliament, beating the far right.
The vote is final. The defeat of the president and his coalition has been clearly confirmed.
Equally stunned by tonight's results, Marine Le Pen's National Rally Party. So sure victory would be theirs, except it wasn't.
At an absolute loss for words, it seems. This has been a huge slap in the face for Marine Le Pen's party. All the polls before this election have predicted they at least would become the largest party in the French parliament. They said they were poised to govern, but the French people today said a resounding no.
Confusingly, their star shone so brightly in the first round of this